What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here. So in today's video I'm going to check out this BOYA magic mic right here, which is an AI powered voice cancelling mic, and you're actually hearing the sound from it right now. So this mics come with a lot of features which I'm going to show you guys inside this video. So this mic right here has 4 different features in which we can use. Now the first option that we're going to look at is use like this. Now this is very useful when you're doing like interview type videos and you can hold it in your hands like this. And right now I have it connected to my camera with my receiver, and this is how I can actually use it right here. And guys, another way in which you can use right here, I can clip it onto my shirt as you can see right here, and I can do this type of videos when I just sit and talk and you guys are not seeing the mic. I can tuck it away, I can hide it discreetly depending on where I want to hide it. And the thing about this mic transmitter right here, there are 2 ways in which we can attach it. We can attach it with a magnetic clip, or we can just clip it onto your clothes, which is really quite fine. And with the receiver as well, we also have a little dead cat which you can go into. Say if you're out in a windy situation where a lot of wind is blowing, you can actually use it with the receiver with the wind muff on, which can protect you guys from a lot of wind. Now guys, another thing that I also like about this as well is that you can use it on your mobile phone. Now what you can do, there are 2 receivers which come inside, one for the lightning port on your older iPhone and one for the USB Type-C. Now we can attach to your phone and actually pair with your microphone transmitter. Now the same function applies as when you're using it with your camera. You can use it inside the case. You can clip it onto your shirt, or you can use it as a shotgun microphone as well. Now the next feature is that it can use as a desktop microphone. So if a person who are doing those voiceovers on your videos, you can use this as a desktop. Actually come with a tripod which come inside, which you can actually use to set it up. And what I find most useful is right here, I can connect it to my computer with the USB-C, which one works the same as in the mobile phone. I just connect it up right away and I can do some voiceover if I need to grab a quick voiceover when I'm editing videos. Another great way guys that I find is actually very useful is that you can do in an interview type videos and you can have the mic to the person that you're interviewing, just hold it up to their mouth, and also you can have one for yourself which can attach to your clothes and actually get it audio both ways. Also this can use as a boom mic as well, so you can boom it over your head, especially if you're in the studio and want to get some boom mic, actually can use that way. So this right here is very versatile and it comes with a lot of features. Now BOYA says that this right here is an AI powered microphone, which in this right here the voice cancellation is very great. That right now I'm using this fan all along inside my studio right here, and you guys might not even realize the fan that is in me blowing. So all along I'm recording this video in the noise cancelling and this right here. Now when the noise cancelling is on, it will actually show us a green light, and when the noise cancelling is off, it actually shows a blue light. So all of this entire video that I was recording, the noise cancellation on, because actually I'm on the fan right now. So I'm going to turn off the noise cancellation and let you guys hear the difference. So the noise cancellation is off right now, and now you guys probably can hear the fan right there in the background blowing all along in this entire video. I'm not sure which magic BOYA is performing, but if you definitely need those noise cancellation capability, you have to check out this BOYA magic mic. Now if you guys curious to know what comes inside the package, let's take a look what we get inside the package right here. So it comes in this nice case right here with that BOYA logo written on right there. Great packaging. We have a USB-C to USB-C cable. We have a USB-A to USB-C cable. We have a 3.5mm audio jack. So we have a dead cat right here. We got some dead cat as well. This is for the 2 mic that come inside. And this right here is the stand, so you can use on your decks. As you guys can see, looking really nice. We have the normal iPhone jack to USB-C. I think this is one of the receiver. So we have 2 light right there indicating for each mic. So this other one right here is a USB Type-C to USB Type-C right here. And this right here is the mic. So we have each of these microphones stored inside, and we can take out this 2 little part which have a magnetic clip inside. So those clips right in. Now whenever your microphone is connected to the receiver and the camera, you can change the volume level or the volume gain of the microphone. Now we have 3 different signals. We have level 1, level 2 and level 3, which indicate the amount of gain that you will get onto your microphone whenever it connects to the camera. Now with the desktop stand, it has 2 parts. One part that you can use to mount on your camera in the actual mount, and one part that you can use on the decks. Now what you need to do, you need to screw off the bottom piece for the desktop stand, and you can attach that part for it to mount your receiver. And also there's a section on it where you can put your receiver as well. Now once you connect it up onto your camera, you can use the 3.5mm jack, connect it to your receiver, and then you can connect it onto your camera. So guys, there you have it. This is the BOYA Magic Mic right here. So if you guys want to check the latest price of this, I will have a link down in the description or any discount code that you guys may need. So hope you find this video very helpful, and remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. And as always, I see you guys in my next video. Peace. I'm out.